Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to disable autocorrect on WhatsApp. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp on your device. Now you cannot disable autocorrect in WhatsApp settings, so what we will do, we will open any WhatsApp chat. Now when we start to type, a keyboard will pop up. At the left corner on the keyboard, you will see this globe icon. Long press on it. When you long press on it, you will see all the keyboards that are used in your WhatsApp chat. And at the top, you will see keyboard settings. Tap on it. Now a page will appear with all of your keyboard settings. If you want to disable autocorrect, then toggle this off. It will turn white, thus autocorrect is off now. Similarly, if you want to disable caps locks, punctuation, and capitalization, toggle off these by tapping on them. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.